Hello all! Today we're going to be reflecting shapes. Reflecting shapes is not really much different than reflecting points. So we're going to be doing the same thing that we did the other day, except this time we're going to be doing several points at once and then connecting them. Let's do it. The first thing that I'm going to do is draw the line of reflection. I prefer to see it when I'm doing it graphically. I think it makes it easier. Okay, there's our line of reflection. Next, I'm going to reflect each and every point we have. I'm going to begin, I reflect U right there, L here, and X there. And let's connect it. There we go. There's our triangle. Beautiful-ish. Okay. Not really different than just reflecting a point at a time. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, what do we have here? This time we are not given a graph. Okay, so let's think about it algebraically. So, if I'm reflecting across the line y equals -1, what's going to change? Well, if we're reflecting over a horizontal line, we're going up and down. Therefore, the y's will change. So I'm going to just get started by writing each new point with its x value intact. It's easy. You know it right away. And we could go from there. Okay, so next I'm going to, instead of count the distance from the point to the line, I'm going to use our arithmetic skills. Okay, to get from -5 to -1, I need to add 4. Well, to get my new y coordinate, I'm going to add 4 to my line of reflection. -1 plus 4 is +3. Great. Let's move on to n. The distance between 0 and -1, well, I need to do 0 minus 1, which gives me -1, and I'll subtract 1 from -1, which gives me an answer of -2. Great. Oh, whoops, on to the next one. All right. For v prime, to get from -1 to -1, this is going to sound silly, but bear with me, I add 0. So I'm going to also add 0 over here. If you have a point that exists on the line of reflection, it will remain there. Let's do E prime. To get from -4 to -1, I would have had to add 3. So I'm going to add 3 to my line of reflection. -1 plus 3 gives me a 2. And we're done. Let's move on. All right. Lastly, we're going to kind of go backwards. We have the reflected image already, and we have the pre-image. We just need to figure out what in the world did we reflect over. This is the way I like to do it, and I think you will find it good too. I'm going to count the distance between 2 points. The G's look closest together, so less space, less counting. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces. And when we have a line of reflection, it's exactly in the middle. That means it's halfway through. I'm going to divide this by 2. I don't know why it's not drawing my 2. But we're still dividing by 2. And 4 divided by 2, as you well may know, is also 2. I give up trying to draw that 2, but I will draw the line of reflection. There it is. The line is y equals, sorry, not y equals. It's the y-axis. Saw the y and I got excited. Y-axis. I don't know why it won't write for me, but we're at the very end. So we're reflecting, either you can say over the y-axis, or we are reflecting over the line x equals 0. I'm going to try to write this out again. But I think you guys get it. It's right in the middle. It's very easy to do. You can do this with any point. There's a very intimidating image on this sheet right here. But the thing is, you still do it the same way. Pick 2 points, count the distance between them, divide by 2, draw the line. Okay? So again, this is either the y-axis or the line x equals 0. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle at the end there. Or maybe not. One way or another, have a great rest of your whatever time of day it is. And if you have questions, please ask.